Welcome! In front of me is a ZTE Blade V40s, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, let's open up Settings. From here, scroll down to Storage, click on your SD card, and then select Format. This will bring up a message letting you know that formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. Not defeating the purpose, but to another device is more viable. Could, for instance, back it up to your computer. Now, assuming you want to back it up. If you don't, you can just progress further by selecting OK. This instantly begins formatting it, and it should be right about done. Yep, there we go. So click on done, and that's it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.